Earlier, I said I watched eagles fly. Here's one eating a fish. Thursday, 4 days after the flood. Here's the Sunoco gas station along Route 67, the old sawmill mini golf. You can see just what's been swept away. Looking south, we can see Quarry Walk and the old barber shop / post office. Upper Loughlin, first time on Loughlin Road. The road is destroyed by washouts everywhere. This is the 8 Mile Brook, the same one that empties into the Housatonic on Route 34. That's a 30-foot drop into the brook. This is the house you may have seen on the news. Someone I grew up with. This was their childhood home. Her mom still lives here from what I've heard. Here's what the bottom of the washout looks like. Yes, that's a boat smashed into there. This is a minute of flight showing the path of destruction along the 8 Mile as it pours into the Housatonic River. As I climb to 400 feet, here's what the view looks like. Right now we're flying north along the 8 Mile and Loughlin Road on the right. First flight on Freeman Road. Welcome to Freeman Road. Earlier, I was able to see this spot from a distance above the river. I was able to access here finally after the trees were cleared from the road. This is what's left after they cleared all the debris. At this point in the day, I must have gone back to Lake Zoar driving to grab some food and had a quick flight over Lake Zoar to see how things are progressing. I went back to East Hill Road in Punkup. The house and property hasn't changed. Here's some more of the 8mm film that I had from the past 1991 storm, showing some damage to the old house. The bridge has been rebuilt on East Hill. Local traffic can now get out. On the bridge, on that barrier, is an aluminum tray full of food. Locals were bringing down food to the workers all the time. And this is what the brook now looks like. Kettletown Road in Southbury is being worked on. One of the crew guys behind the excavator spots me and waves. Jackson's Cove parking lot. The cars are still stuck here, and the water is glass. The road is still washed out, but it's being worked on now. Here's the ground view perspective. If you look down in the brook, You can see someone down there. Gives you an idea of the height. Here's 1 minute at 2 times speed going up Jackson's Cove Road. The driveway that the excavator is building, you may have seen them on the news as well. Their driveway was washed away. Next time you're at the cove, on a boat, or if you can walk down there, travel down the river about a half a mile to the bend. Someone's starting to make a new summer destination. The last flight of the day is over Route 34 in Lake Zoar, and it's being rebuilt.